In this video lesson, I will guide you through the vocals of Band on the Run by Paul McCartney and Wings. The song was recorded by Paul McCartney, Linda Eastman and Danny Lane in Lagos, Africa, in 1973. And this proves how at the time they had already become very good and tight in harmonizing together. Band on the Run is a song that will give you a lot of enjoyment and satisfaction because the harmonies are complex and requires a lot of attention. But in the end, when you are able to recreate that groove with the exact beginning, the exact end, the exact intention, the exact interpretation and the exact dynamics, this song will give you an amazing enjoyment. So let's start with the first part of the song, the slow one. Stuck inside these four walls. The first thing I would like you to focus your attention on is how Paul interprets the first lines, the first lyrics that he's singing. He's talking about a man who is in jail and he will be probably forever. And the mood that he uses for singing this first lyrics of a song is, of course, a resigned kind of mood, but also a bit bored. Stuck inside these four walls, sent inside forever. Paying attention to this part, which is the very beginning of a song, will give your interpretation and your rendition a lift, because it's the first thing that your audience will catch, okay? Now, after the first two lines, the part that goes nice again comes, and this next part contains a lot of stuff to take care of. The first thing is that there is a very fast glissato going up to the first note. Nice again! And then there is a dynamic that all the three vocals have to follow. Nice again! Nice again! And then, like you, this you is not that easy to catch. And remember that all the three vocals do the same thing, and they have to be perfectly synced and parallel. Like you, like you. So when you reproduce these three notes going down, you have to be very parallel with your singing partners. Like you. This is very important, but it will give you an amazing satisfaction when you are able to do that. So, like you, and there is the mama. And the mama doesn't have any dynamics, but it ends in a very strange way. So they sing, mama, okay? Like this. It's sort of a glotted strike, but it's not really a glotted strike. And then, you, mama, you. I recommend all together and stopping together, okay? You, and everybody stops. Then there is the part, if I get out of here, but I'll give it all away. This part is quite simple, but in this same part there is a strange vocal by Linda that I asked Raffaella to reproduce. You will hear this one. Then starts the part of where the rain exploded with a mighty crash, when the song explodes, okay? This is fantastic. The only difficult part is that it's very high to sing in a specific part when he gets to the C. I hope you're having fun. I hope you're having fun. Band on. So if you feel that this part is too high, I suggest that you consider lowering the key of the song. And then there is a part of a ritornello, the chorus, that this one as well is sang in a particular way. So the vowels are very pronounced and very straight. It's kind of how the Beatles sang If I Fell. Band on the Run. Very open vowels, open sound. For the band on the run. The band on the run. And all the vocals are singing the same way. And then at the end of the song, there is another part that I show in the video where I discovered that there is an oblique harmony. In this part, the vocals are most probably double-tracked. And then, as it happened with the Beatles quite often, when it's time to double-track a part, during the double-tracked harmony, Paul is used to change one note here and there, creating a very nice oblique harmony that creates a moment of tension, which I really love. I really love these tricks, and I'm proposing this one to you, so you can also understand how they work, understand how precious they are, and reproduce them. Okay, so these are the vocals of Band on the Run for you. Amazing song, have fun with it, make a cover and send me the links. Stuck inside these four walls, sent inside forever, never seeing no one nice again like you, mama, you. Stuck inside these four walls, sent inside forever, never seeing no one nice again like you, mama. Never seeing no one nice again like you, mama, you, mama, you.
Never seeing no one nice again like you, mama, you, mama, you.
If we ever get out of here, if we ever get out of here, if we ever get out of here,
If we ever get out of here, here.
well, the rain exploded with a mighty crash as we fell into the sun, and the first one said to forevermore for the band who held the grudge. We'll search forevermore for the band on the run.
Search forevermore.
Search forevermore.
Search forevermore.
So these are the harmonies of Band on the Run by Paul McCartney and Wings. This is an amazing song and you will really enjoy singing this one. Just sit down, take your laptop, open this video, take advantage of everything I told you and you will dramatically improve your singing. See you next video. Ciao!